5 years later, it kind of feels like 15, and at the same time, it kind of feels like 6 months ago.
March 11th in Quebec is the National Day of Remembrance for victims of COVID-19. 2025 marks 5 years since the devastation. Montrealer Peter Whelan's parents, Ken and Connie, both contracted the virus while in seniors' homes, and Ken died due to complications of the virus in spring of 2020.
She was admitted at the Lakeshore General with COVID, but she recovered from it. And she had a fall from her bed 9 months later, broke her hip, and we say that she died from a broken hip, but it's more like she died from a broken heart because she'd lost the man that she'd shared her life with and her 5 kids.
Before Ken was transferred to a LaSalle residence when the pandemic hit, the couple had both lived at the now infamous Herron residence in Dorval, where seniors were left on their own, dehydrated and malnourished, and sitting in their own feces. At least 47 people died there during the first wave of COVID-19.
I put myself on the list to go and help out the nursing homes, but I had no inclination. I didn't know the harsh reality that I was going to face.
City News brought you the story on April 8th, 2020, when volunteer nurse Loredana Mule sounded the alarm, sparking a number of investigations.
I believe that they were sitting in urine and feces for about a day or so.
There was nobody. I felt like it had been abandoned. And so I yelled out some names and nobody.
When the Regional Health Authority took over Herron in late March 2020, there were 3 employees caring for 133 residents, something Connie Whelan lived through.
Her urine bag on the side of the bed was so full that it exploded. It was all over the floor.
I was very, very saddened. Almost in shock.
A 2022 Quebec coroner's report into long-term care deaths of seniors during the first wave of the pandemic found private CHSLDs, like Herron was, should receive some government subsidies to ensure they can provide residents with proper care.
I hope that some measures have been implemented.
Herron has since closed, and Whelan says more should be done to make sure something like this never happens again.
So those of us who lost our parents, they've been buried for 4 or 5 years now, so it's a bit behind us, but I don't think that we've seen a lot of progress.
In Montreal, Alyssia Rubertucci, City News.